Well, what we're going to do in a moment is see if this engine will start 2 days running. That'll be good, wouldn't it? Right, where am I going to put the camera where it's not going to fall in the water? There's a fella showing off, having fun. Who's that? Is that my mate Mick? I don't know. Has he slowed down because I'm filming him? Because I think he was a little bit more than the... Where's he going? I think he might have been a little bit over the speed limit there. It's all good stuff, isn't it? It's all fun. All fun. There's another one of my mates. Roy on his boat.